If you've regularly been on social media or have followed the news in the past couple of years, you've most likely heard of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Whether you think NFT are a fad or present great opportunities for artists and investors, they often make the news and have even sold for millions of dollars. Before watching the full video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. NFT are collectible digital assets similar to cryptocurrency and can range from everything to pieces of art, music, videos, memes, and even screenshots of tweets. For example, Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey sold his first ever tweet for $2.9 million. Tips for keeping your NFT secure. Regardless of the type of wallet or system you store NFT in, it's still essential to follow some best practices to keep your digital assets safe when tucked away in storage. Tips to follow when keeping NFT safe. Create complex credentials. Try to create login credentials with a mixture of capitals, numbers, and symbols to make your password less easy to guess or hack. Keep your login private. It may sound like an easy one, but it's important to keep your login credentials to yourself and avoid ever texting or emailing it to anyone. Seed phrase. When using a software wallet, never give out your 24-word seed phrase, as it can greatly compromise the security of your NFT. Avoid dodgy sites. It's essential to avoid sites that may have any malicious intentions. Furthermore, try to regularly scan your computer for viruses and spyware. Storing your passwords. If you need to store all your credentials and passwords, keep them in a physical format. By storing them offline, you can avoid a data breach and mitigate the risk of someone being able to access your NFT. Store NFT offline. If you're not in a rush to trade or sell, keep your long-term digital assets offline. And as previously mentioned, a cold storage hardware wallet can help you to do that. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications about crypto-related videos.